By Andras Goczey. The modern world has every right to stand amazed at the building accuracy of the Cheops pyramid of theoretically 146.7 meters height. It is a well-known fact that, according to the intention of builders, the perimeter of the base square of pyramid is equal to the perimeter of the great circle of the hemisphere, the radius of which is equal to the height referenced to the Earth. According to our recent knowledge, the building difference compared to the calculated dimension of the base edge lies just between 20 to 30 centimeters. The basic problem, however, consists of that, when building that wonder of the world, the above tolerance can only be achieved by using pi 3.142 that was unknown to them. The use of pi 3.16 value attributed to their knowledge according to the Rind papyrus provides denotes an error in the base edge far exceeding 1 meter. Furthermore, they could not perform divisions and multiplications but only to a limited extent, and they could adapt these operations by reducing them to additions. They must have known some more accurate pi value that could be used without some particular calculations and drawing, even by means of additions, to solve their task. Might it be as follows: the most natural human measuring unit is the span. It is not this that popularized with them. In this particular case, suppose this span equal to around 14 to 15 centimeters. In the Rind papyrus, the 1 is a mark of stick form, Adnamid sense 160 by 600 blue at the same place. The tenfold of stick is a mark of hairpin form, the hundredfold of it is marked by a helix, while its thousandfold is represented by a mark of a lotus flower. Thus the mark representing 1000 stick is equal to a lotus flower that might be equal even to the height of Cheops pyramid, that is 146.7 meters according to the above. Neither places of value nor fractions were used. Therefore, if the height of Cheops pyramid is supposed to be equal to 1000 stick unit, i.e. 1 lotus flower, the use of decimal system allows the bravura to be performed as follows. 1. Reference to the sun. It is well known that the height supposed to be equal to a lotus flower, i.e. 1000 sticks, 146.7 meter multiplied by 1000 by 1000 by 1000, i.e. by billion, gives the distance to the sun. It is well known that the minimal distance between the sun and the earth is equal to approximately 147 million kilometer. 2. Reference to the Earth. If the height of 1000 units, i.e. the distance of one lotus flower, is assumed to be equal to the radius of a semisphere reference to the Earth, then the perimeter of the great circle of this semisphere shall be equal to the perimeter of the basic square of the Cheops pyramid according to the message of the builders. Measure a section of 1000 stick length lotus flower on the half diagonal of this square first, then one of 100 sticks length helix from its endpoint, then one of 10 sticks length hairpin from the endpoint of the previous 2 sections, then one of 1 stick length from the endpoint of the previous 3 sections. Then, a simple addition of these 4-part sections gives the length of the half diagonal of the requested square, requested to be 1111 units. Andras Goczey performing the verification for a circle with radius of 1000 units, i.e. R1000. The above drawing procedure for the diagonal of the requested basic square gives 1111. The half edge of the basic square is given by dividing 1111 by square root of 2. Multiplying this ratio by 4 results in the half perimeter, which gives the thousands of pi, i.e. 3142. Half of the perimeter of a circle with radius of 1000 units is equal to the p-fold of its radius, pi 3.142, i.e. 3142. It follows that, by using the above method of drawing, the perimeter of the basic square is equal to that of the great circle. Thus, the task can be solved. Budapest, December 5, 2009. Copyright by Andras Goczey. Did you know, according to the decision adopted by the Hungarian Academy of Sciences in the mid-19th century, dissertations dealing with quadrature of the circle, section of circle into 3 sections, the invention of perpetuum mobile will be refused without consideration. Related links.